Hello students, this is Chalamaredi sir, Mathematics. Now I am going to discuss that mains 2019 questions in indefinite integrations. In last video, already I discussed 3 questions. Now I am going to discuss some more questions. Now who are not subscribed, please subscribe the channel, like and share to your friends. Now I am going to start fourth problem. See the question. If integration x plus 1 by under root 2x minus 1 is equal to f of x into under root 2x minus 1 plus c, where c is a constant of integration, then f of x is equal to. So by observing the question, so we have to decide what we have to take t. So first 2x minus 1, that is equal to take t square because root is there. Apply the differentiation. 2 dx, that is equal to 2t dt. Dx is equal to t dt. Okay. Now in the numerator, x is there. What is x value? We have to observe that. This is 2x. Send minus 1 that side. And finally we get x value is t square plus 1 by 2. Then what is x plus 1? Tell me. Adding on both side 1. That is t square plus 3 divided by 2. Okay. Now integration x plus 1 divided by under root 2x minus 1 dx. That is equal to integration denominator under root 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1 is equal to t square. So under root t square, numerator x plus 1 already we are calculated, that is 2 square plus 3 divided by 2 into what is dx? This is t dt. Okay, here square root cancelled and t also cancelled. Remaining is t square plus 3 divided by 2 into dt. So 1 by 2 take outside and apply the integration. T square integration, that is t cube divided by 3 plus 3 into integration 1 dt, that is t plus c. Okay. Here t square value is 2x minus 1. Then what is t value? 1 by 2 into here, or otherwise take common t or t square. Okay, t cube means we can write 2x minus 1 whole power 3 by 2 because t value is 2x minus 1 whole power 1 by 2. Here calculate that. Plus and divided by 3 plus 3 into t value is under root 2x minus 1 plus c. Already we know that a power 3 by 2. What is that? A root a. Okay. Now overall I am going to take the common 1 by 2 into under root 2x minus 1. This is the common. Then what is the remaining term? Here 2x minus 1 divided by 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus c. Now observe here 1 by 2 under root 2x minus 1 into, calculate this. How much we get? 3 is the LCM. Now we get numerator 2x minus 8 divided by 3 and 2 take common, 2 is going to cancel. Remaining is x minus 4 divided by 3 under root 2x minus 1 plus c. Here small correction. Here will come plus and here also plus. Now observe the question and answer. F of x into under root 2x minus 1 plus c. What is f of x value finally? Tell me. So f of x value is x plus 4 divided by 3. This is the answer. So observe the options. Fourth option is correct. Next, I am going to fifth question. Observe the fifth question. This model already we are done in last video. So here, what we have to do, we can take denominator x power 4 common. Then what happens? Integration 3 into x power 13 plus 2 into x power 11 divided by denominator. I am going to take common x power 4, but power 4 is there. X power 4 means it is going to x power 16. Then what is the remaining? 2 plus 3. We have taken x power 4 common. So numerator x square is a denominator. We can write x square. Plus here only 1 is there. 1 by x power 4 whole power 4 dx. Okay. That is equal to, now numerator divide with x power 16. What happened? You will get 3 into x power 13 divided by x power 16, 1 by x cube, that is x power minus 3, plus 2 into x power 11 divided by x power 16, 1 by x power 5, that is x power minus 5, divided by denominator, see that 2 plus 3 into x power minus 2 plus x power minus 4 whole power 4 dx. So here denominator 2 plus 3 into x power minus 2 plus x power minus 4. This is take the t. Observe the differentiation, derivative of constant 0. Here derivative of x power minus 2, that is minus 6 into x power minus 3. Here minus 4 into x power minus 5 into dx, that is equal to dt. Now let's see the question in the numerator. 3x power minus 3 plus 2 into x power minus 5. So here take minus 2 common and send it to right hand side. It is going to dt divided by minus 2. Okay. Now left hand side, what happens? See, this is 3 into x power minus 3 plus 2 into x power minus 5 into dx, that is equal to dt minus t. Now go to the question here. Numerator part we can write, okay, 1 by t power 4 into numerator part, that is minus dt by 2. Okay, this is take outside, minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 integration t power minus 4 dt. What is integration t power minus 4 dt? So minus 1 by 2 is constant, outside is there. Now apply the formula. We get t power minus 4 plus 1 by minus 4 plus 1, that is minus 3, plus c. Now this is minus minus cancel. We get 1 by 6 into t power minus 3 means it will come denominator t cube plus c. What is t value? Already we know that. Substitute here 1 by 6 into what is there? 1 divided by 2 plus 3x power minus 2 plus x power minus 4 whole cube plus c. But see the answer, the power should be positive. Here we have to do some calculations. 1 by 6 into 1 divided by 2 plus 3 by x square plus 1 by x power 4 whole cube plus c. And denominator, take the LCM. LCM is x power 4, 1 by 6, 1 divided by, here will come 2x power 4 plus 3x square plus 1 whole cube divided by x power 4 whole cube, that is x power 12. Send to numerator, we get like this, x power 12 plus c. This is the answer. Now observe the options. Which option is correct? Second option is correct. So here what we are done, denominator we are taken x power 4 common, power 4 is there, that's why we got x power 16. This is we are divided with the numerator, and denominator part we are taken t and apply the small integration formulas. We get the answer. I think this is also very easy question now. Next, see that sixth question. Sixth question, the integral of 2x cube minus 1 by x power 4 plus x dx is equal to, that is the question. How to do this, tell me. So integration 2x cube minus 1. So I am getting the thought, in denominator take x square common, then what happens, see, remaining is x square plus here 1 by x dx. Now whatever we are taken common and divide with numerator, we get 2x minus 1 by x square, and denominator x square plus 1 by x dx. Now denominator part, that is x square plus 1 by x, take t, then apply the differentiation to x, derivative of 1 by x minus 1 by x square into dx, that is equal to dt. So this is the numerator part now. Now integration dt divided by t. Okay, what is integration 1 by t? That is log modulus t plus c. Now logarithm of mod t means, that is x square plus 1 by x plus c. Here do that some calculations. Logarithm of modulus x cube plus 1 divided by x plus c. This is the answer. Observe the options. Which option is correct? Third option is correct. This is also a very easy question. Now I am going to seventh question. Observe it. Observe this. Let alpha belongs to 0 comma pi by 2 be fixed if the integral. So they are given question and answer also. Now we need to find a of x, b of x. Now how to do this? Integration tan x, tan alpha is there. Tan we can write in terms of sine and cos and take the LCM. So first I am writing tan x means sine x by cos x plus tan alpha means sine alpha divided by cos alpha whole divided by, and denominator also same like that, sin x by cos x minus sin alpha divided by cos alpha into dx. Now numerator and denominator take LCM. The LCM is going to cancel. Then remaining part, what is there? See, sin x cos alpha plus cos x sin alpha. In denominator also same like that, small difference, that is negative. Sin x cos alpha minus cos x sin alpha dx. Numerator, that is in the form of sin a plus b, denominator sin a minus b. So integration, numerator sin of x plus alpha divided by denominator sin of x minus alpha dx. Now, how to do this? Let x minus alpha, that is equal to t. Do the differentiation. Dx is equal to dt. And here one more step. What is x value? That is t plus alpha. X value t plus alpha, substitute in the numerator. We get sin of t plus alpha 2 alpha divided by denominator sin t dt. Numerator, expand the formula, we get sin t cos 2 alpha plus cos t sin 2 alpha divided by sin t into dt. Now split that, sin t cancel, we get cos 2 alpha is constant, take outside, integration 1 dt plus sin 2 alpha is constant, take outside, integration cos by sin, that is cot t dt. Now cos 2 alpha into integration 1 dt, that is t. What is t value? X minus alpha. So here we get x minus alpha plus sin 2 alpha into, what is integration cot t? Integration cot t, that is logarithm of modulus sin t. Sin t. What is sin? What is t? That is x minus alpha plus c. Now observe the question and answer. Cos 2 alpha coefficient, what is there? Ax. So here Ax value is x minus alpha. A of x, that is equal to x minus alpha. Similarly, sin 2 alpha coefficient, what is there? B of x. So b of x, that is equal to logarithm of modulus sin of x minus alpha. These are that b of x and a of x. Verify the options. Which option is correct? Second option is correct. These are very easy questions, I think. Students, all of you understood now? Still now who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel, like and share to your friends. Thank you.